Angry Birds, Angry Birds, Angry Birds. Stickers, Angry Birds. Episode 2, Blackbirds. Last time, they met the piggies, and the piggies stole the eggs. And then they went to the house to get it back. Yay! Yay! What the heck's going on? Oh, hi, Blackbird. Yeah, hi. What are you doing? We just got the eggs back from the piggies. Piggies? There's no piggies. Yes, there is. Well, I can prove it to you by standing right here. Ah! Oh, look what we got here. Oh, there's a bird. We don't know that. They live with the birds. What the heck? Here, you guys. We're the piggies, the bad piggies. And we are trying to get the eggs. We were ruining that for yourself. Oh, shoot. Did you that in? Yeah. Oh, my. It's all your fault. You just tell him that, and he would have noticed. Oh my. You. The king of the piggies. So, back. So, where is the Blackbird? Help me! Ignore that. Help me! Blackbird. Oh, look, who's came back there? Bigger Blackbird. I mean bigger Redbird. I get mixed up. Yeah, and I'm here to get Blackbird. Oh, Greyfields are coming. Wow. This is kind of strange. It's not strange. Oh. So we have to give that is hill. Look who come also. The bluebird. Yeah, and I want those friends back. I mean, brother. You're not gonna get your friends. I mean, brother. Yeah.
I wanted 3/4 and on the school.
We finally got him.
Give me enough.
Oh man. Well, I'm going back that. Yeah, going. We finally got the Blackbird back. Thank you for saving me. You're welcome. To be continued.